Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day and keeping warm because here in southern Ontario it's so chilly. It's freezing. So I had to warm myself up and drive myself to the Dollarama just to keep warm. Of course, that's not the reason. Of course, I needed some retail therapy and I needed to pick a few things up, and before I put them away, I thought I'd share them with you. So if you want to see what I purchased this time at the Dollarama, please keep on watching. So I picked up a lot of unique Christmas things in my opinion, and a few stocking stuffers, especially for little girls, and you'll understand why as soon as I get to them. So in no particular order, I'm just going to pull things out of the bag and share with you what I got. So for starters, I picked up this kids napkin note set. So these are napkins, and you can actually write little notes for the kids, for your hubby, your significant other, for just about anybody. So when they, open up their lunch box, lunch bag, what have you, you can have a special note to make their day. And I thought that was super cute. There's 50 napkins in here. And again, it does say for kids, but it can be for just about anybody. And here's a sample right over there. How cute is that? So I couldn't resist and I had to pick those up. And these were, I'm not sure, $1.25 maybe. Again, I needed some more batteries with Christmas around the corner. Everything, just about everything needs batteries. So I picked up a package of the AA and a package of the AAA, and these were $1.25 each, or are $1.25 each. I couldn't pass this up. How cute is this? I picked up these Christmas towels, and it's the elf over there, and I thought it was so cute. And it's elf on this side, and there's two of them. There's two tea towels, and the other side is red, so perfect for Christmas. But that one I thought was adorable. So two pieces for $3.50. He is so cute with the Christmas lights. Love him. I love anything elf. We also picked up, here's a couple more batteries. I guess I picked up some more AA, as I mentioned. Christmas, can never have too many. Picked up these little zipper loop bags, and there are 30 pieces for $1.25, and it's with Mr. Santa Claus over there holding presents. And I like to pop these in lunches for certain snacks and just make it a little bit more festive during this time of year. So I picked up those. 'Tis the season for arts and crafts, so I picked up a package of the craft sticks, and there are 100 in this package. These are just the plain ones for $1.25. This was new at my Dollarama, and I could not pass this up because, shh, I'm gonna whisper, we do Elf on the Shelf here in my house, and she's actually called Noelle, but don't tell anybody I said that, okay? So that being said, I picked up this Elfie surveillance camera with a flashing LED light. This was $4. It requires two AA batteries. I don't think it does anything other than flash the light, but I'm going to put this in a place where we can tell the little girls that Noelle is always watching them. So let's just take this out of the package and see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It looks like there's an actual camera there. And you can see it says "Elves behaving badly" all the way around. And you can just stick this up wherever you want, maybe in their room, so they're always being watched. But it doesn't have any of the, it does. It actually comes with screws in the box. I won't be using screws. I might be using that double-sided tape, and we'll put that up. I thought that was super cute. Definitely something different to add to our mischievous little elf here. So we picked that up. So I was happy. good find. Again, I'm going to whisper. Isabella, her number one toy right now is LOL dolls. So, I found this LOL 3 hair bows for $3, so $1 each. And these definitely make great stocking stuffers for the LOL lover. So got her that. I also got her this 20-piece set, the LOL Surprise Accessory Set. So it contains 4 snap clips, 3 barrettes, 8 elastics for the hair. And look how cute that is. You can almost even take this out and frame it if they're that in love with them and put it in their room. But look how cute that is. That was a score in my opinion. LOLs, we all know how much those retail for if you have a little girl who is into LOLs. I also picked up these wreath hangers. These are the shorter ones, but this is what I was looking for. But I also needed a longer one. And this was $1.25 for 2. And these are like a gray color. I also picked up, I needed some stocking hangers, if that's what you call them. And there's 3 in a package here. These were $4, and these are just silver. That goes with my decor. I have some already for downstairs, but I needed some for the upstairs, so I got 2 sets of those. Nothing, they're plain, but you know, what you want to stand out is the stocking, not necessarily the stocking holder or hanger, what have you. Oh, I got some more batteries. I've already used up 3 of them, so there you go. Okay, this is a rather large haul. I got this little candy dish container. It's plastic. It has snowmen all around, just to keep a little candy dish filled with chocolates. And to go with that, I picked up these Hershey Kisses with the red, green, and silver foil wrapping. So I'm going to place those in there. I also picked up this little elf. How cute. Oh my gosh. So, so cute. So sparkly. Look at him. So cute. Look at those little feet. And his arms actually hang, so you can hang them on a doorknob or on a wreath. And he has a little bell there and a wreath hanger. Look at that face. So, so cute. So I got him. Couldn't leave him behind. Going back with crafts, we got some of these mini pom-poms. So I got a red with different shades of red and a green. And these were $1.25 each. We got some more of the wooden sticks. However, these are the colored ones, the red and green, so we don't have to paint them, for $1.25. And there are, does it say? Doesn't say how many are in these ones. At least I don't see it anywhere. Oh, sorry, right up there. Duh. These were 100 pieces for $1.25. And these were, yeah, same price, just that those are colored. We got some more white glue for crafting. We got 2 of these containers for snacks for school. These were new at my store, so these were $1 each, and they're BPA free. We got a pink and a blue. And what I like about these are twist lids, so you just slide them like that. Little fingers get the snacks, and when you're done, you just close it back. So we got 2 of those. We got a package of the Plaster Ornaments for $2.50. And there's 6 ornaments with a paintbrush, and there's little tubs of paint. Some gummy worms. Can you guess who those are for? Yeah, guilty. That's for me. Shh. We got a pair of these festive socks. These are red and gray striped with the colorful lights on them, the Christmas lights, the old school lights. Sizes 4 through 10 for $1.25. We got a Scotty's tissue, and it's the festive one. Look at that. Look how sparkly it is. And these are the ones with the penguins. And this was, there's no price on there. There you go. We got some more paint brushes for $2. And there's a variety of brushes there, just because I don't think the ones that come with the kit there is very good quality. We got, tags already removed because Isabella has already worn it. We got this hat with this little pom-pom here, and I just love the colors. And it has the braid with the pom-poms on the end, on both ends. And I just found that the color was so bright and so festive and colorful, and I just loved it. And it goes with her jacket, so cute. So we picked that up. We are nearing the end, guys. We just got a box of crayons because she plans on doing a craft with that as well. Here's the longer wreath I was mentioning that I needed. Again, I got like a silver gray. This one was $2. And these are a lot thicker than the ones they carry normally. Well, the other years. I haven't seen the other ones this year, but these are a lot sturdier, a lot thicker. And last but not least, we got this canvas, which it's a canvas and painting set. So this one is Santa Claus. And it is a 9.8 inches by 12 inches, or 25 centimeters by 30 centimeters. And it comes with paints in the back there. So I think she will really enjoy that. So yes, that was my Dollarama this time around. I think I got a lot of interesting, fun things. So let me know down below if you've been to Dollarama recently and what did you purchase. Again, I appreciate everyone spending a little bit of their time with me and watching my videos. And like always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone!